Across the planet, hidden in forests, deserts, meadows, and jungles, there exists a world of color, shine, and astonishing beauty. A world built by nature's finest artists, beetles. From metallic emerald greens to rainbow reflections, beetles are some of the most visually stunning creatures on Earth, yet we barely notice them. Today we explore the most beautiful beetles in the world and the extraordinary secrets behind their colors, shapes, and lives. Our journey begins with the iconic jewel beetles. Their bodies glisten like polished gemstones, emerald, sapphire, ruby, and sometimes all three together. But these dazzling colors are not created by pigment. They are created by light itself. Tiny microscopic structures bend, scatter, and reflect sunlight, producing intense metallic colors that don't fade, even after the beetle dies. For some species, this shine helps with camouflage among glossy tropical leaves. For others, it may help keep their bodies cool under the sun. From Asia to Africa to Australia, jewel beetles are living pieces of art, proof that nature is the world's finest jeweler. Meet the rainbow stag beetle, one of the most breathtaking beetles ever discovered. Their bodies look as if they're dipped in liquid metal that constantly shifts between gold, purple, emerald, and blue. Found mainly in Australia, rainbow stags are surprisingly shy and gentle. Their colors intensify under sunlight due to layered structures in their shell. Collectors consider them among the most prized insects in the world. But in the wild, these colors help males compete, attract mates, and defend territory. In the dense forest they live in, they are tiny glowing jewels in the shadows. The harlequin beetle looks like a walking painting. With bold red, black, and yellow patterns, it resembles a work of tribal art. But what truly makes this beetle stand out is its long, graceful forelegs, longer than its entire body. Found in Central and South America, these long arms help it navigate rough bark and dense vines. Their patterns warn predators that they are not easy prey. In the rainforest, they move like slow, colorful dancers across ancient tree trunks. This tiny beetle is often called the real gold bug. At first glance, it looks like a drop of pure liquid gold. But the golden tortoise beetle has a magical talent. It can change color. When calm, it shines like polished metal. But when disturbed, it becomes reddish or transparent. This transformation happens because fluid inside its shell shifts and changes how light reflects. Found throughout the Americas, this beetle proves that beauty can be small, yet astonishing. Scarab beetles have been symbols of beauty and mystery for thousands of years. The Egyptians carved them into jewelry, believing they represented the cycle of life. Today, their real-life cousins, like the emerald jewel scarab, are even more remarkable. Their shells shimmer with pure gold, silver, or emerald tones, almost too bright to be real. Their reflective armor is so brilliant that artisans once used their shells in royal ornaments. These beetles are living treasures, glowing in the warm forests of Central America. Native to Australia, the fiddler beetle is named after the violin-shaped pattern on its back. Its neon green markings look painted on with brushes of pure light. These beetles feed on nectar, gently visiting flowers with elegance and calm movements. Their colors warn predators and signal to other beetles. They are active during the warm summer months, shining brightly under the sun like miniature works of art. Next, we meet the blue milkweed beetle, a tiny beetle with a deep cobalt blue color that glows like metallic ink. This shine comes from structural coloration, similar to peacock feathers. It lives on milkweed plants and can roll into a perfect metallic ball when threatened. Under sunlight, it looks like a polished sapphire moving across the leaves. Elephant beetles and rhinoceros beetles may look intimidating, but they are among the most beautiful giants of the insect world. With smooth, glossy shells and long horns, they appear like armored knights. Their bodies shine in shades of gold, brown, and black. Despite their strength, they are gentle giants, feeding mostly on sap and rotting fruit. Their impressive horns help males compete for mates, making them icons of power and beauty. Among the most striking beetles on Earth are the longhorn beetles. Known for their antennae that can be twice the length of their body, these beetles are the supermodels of the insect world, elegant, graceful, and visually dramatic. Longhorn beetles belong to a massive family called Syrambicidae, and their beauty varies across continents. Some display powdery blues, others shine in red, gold, or iridescent green, and many have intricate patterns that resemble painted porcelain. Deep in the forests of Madagascar lives one of the most peculiar and extraordinary beetles on the planet, the giraffe weevil. Named for its astonishingly long neck, this tiny insect looks like a miniature version of the world's tallest mammal, crafted in vivid black and red. The giraffe weevil's neck is not just for beauty, it is a tool of precision. Did you know about the fascinating violet oil beetle? This beetle is famous for its shiny violet-blue color and a very unusual defense. When threatened, it releases a toxic, oily substance to scare predators. These beetles are slow movers and mostly found in meadows and grasslands. Despite their defense, they are harmless to humans if left alone. Nature's tiny violet warrior. Beetles are everywhere, over 400,000 species across Earth, and among them exist some of the most stunning creatures ever shaped by evolution. From shimmering metals to rainbows and vivid patterns, beetles show us that beauty comes in infinite forms. Hidden in forests, deserts, mountains, and gardens, these tiny artists of nature remind us that even the smallest creatures can shine the brightest. Thank you for joining this journey through the world's most beautiful beetles. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of extraordinary beetles, don't forget to like, share, and support the channel. Your appreciation helps us bring more wonders of nature to life.